Hello my dear friends, today we will be discuss about the standard 8 exercise 9.5. In this exercise we will be studied about how we should use the various algebraic identities. Yes or no my dear friends? In the previous class we have studied about the various kinds of identity. Let's discuss that one. After that we will go to the exercise. Okay my dear friends? Okay, very good. So my dear friends, always I told you, please subscribe my channel so that the new videos you will be get it very easily. If you have any doubts, then please write in comments so that I will clear your doubts. Okay, let's start the today's class. Okay. So the various identity we are studying, that the first are a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the first one. Yes or no? The second one is a minus b whole square. It is what? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Then the third one is what? Yes, a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? Who will tell me? Yes, very good Archer. It is a plus b into a minus b. Understood? And the last but not the least, which one? That is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. These are the four identity we have studied in the previous exercise, my dear friends. Today we will be discussed one by one with example, and some of the examples we will be taking from your exercise 9.5. Okay, let's discuss one by one, otherwise I will take it from your exercise. Okay, let's go for it. What is that? The first one is called as a plus b whole square. Let it be as it is. Okay, let's take it. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the previous exercise, we have find out that how we will find the a plus b whole square. Okay, in a step-by-step process. Today, we will be take some example and apply this rule, whether this rule is applicable to that one or not. If it is applicable, then how easily we will get the answer. Okay, let's go for it. A plus b whole square means what, my dear friends? It is a plus b into a plus b. Yes or no, my dear friends? Okay, I can write it like this. Again I will write it what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Remember this one. You can write like this or like this. No problem is there, because whenever you are just getting getting the identity, in the first step it is there like this manner or not? Okay, let's go to your question. What is the question? It is given in the 9.5 exercise question number 1 regarding a plus b whole square. Let's see whether it is coming or not. It's saying that x plus 3 into x plus 3. In this case, always remember that in this case you have to find the first one and second one. It gives us which formula. In these two cases, both of them are added. Now come to the point. If I have not recognized these things, because I am telling this one, it is coming under the solution like this. Okay, but if it is not there, then how you will identify that which formula will be applicable here? Now remember this one. Both the cases are plus. Here, two cases are plus, two cases are minus. So the minus cases will be not implemented here. Understood? Two cases are right now. A plus b whole square, x plus a into x plus b. Here x is what? It is same, but a and b are different. But here the numbers are same. In which cases? It is in the case of this one. This. Okay? Like this manner you have to be identify the particular identity. Okay? So go for it. X plus 3 into x plus 3 is what? A plus b. Here a is equal to x, b is equal to 3. So I will write here a plus b into a plus b. Which formula it is? It is a square, or you can say write like this. And is what? A square is what? X square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. In the bracket you can write it a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the what formula we are using in this step. Okay, now solve it. X square plus 2 3 are 6x plus 9. This is the answer we will get after solving the question by using the particular identity. Understood, my dear friends? How it is easy? Okay. Let's go for the another one from your exercise. Okay. What is that? What is that? It is there. Another question is there. 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5. Now, in this case, again the same thing you have to be remember. What is that? These are in the plus case. Here, plus case, plus case. First and second one in plus. These two will be not applicable, my dear friends. Okay? Now, here a is equal to 2y. Again, here a is equal to 2y. B is equal to what? 5. Here B is equal to 5. A, B is there. In case of addition, it is there. That is what? It is a plus b into a plus b. Which one? This one is equal to what? A plus b whole square or not? Like this manner, you have to find out the identity in a particular manner. Okay? Okay. I am going to erase this one. Now a is equal to what? Which formula it is? It is a plus b whole square again. Okay? So according to that, you have to write it a square plus 2 into 2y into 5b 2ab plus 5 whole square. It is 4y square plus 2 to the 4 20y plus 25. For this, what you have to write? Because a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Like this manner, you have to be solve all the given question in your book. Okay? This is the plus case. This is a plus b whole square. How you are finding it? Let's go for what? A minus b whole square. Okay? Let's take an example from your exercise. It is question number 1. It is only. I will erase this one. Okay? Now, in case of a minus b whole square, what is that? Sorry. In case of a minus b whole square, what is this one? We know that it is a minus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. Yes or no, my dear friends? According to this, what are the question is coming? Just check it. Then what are the question is given? In the third question is given 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7. Now first thing is what? We have to recognize in which identity, out of 4 identity, which identity is having minus signs are there. This is plus, this is not there. This is plus, this is also not there. Only 2 cases are there. Here, what is that? 2 formulas, a square minus b square. It is what? A plus b into a minus b. Here, 2 expressions are either plus or minus will be there. So, it will be not there. Which one will left? Left. This one is left right now. So, apply this one. So, what is that? A minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So, do it. What is a square? 2a square minus 2 into 2a into 7. Don't put minus 7 because we are writing this one as a minus b into a minus b. So don't put here minus 7. Okay? If you put it, then your answer will be wrong. Okay? Plus b square, that is 7's whole square. Now solve it. 4a square minus 4 28a plus 49. This is the answer by applying the identity a minus b whole square. First thing is that you have to be recognized that what is the question given. It is given in the plus sign or in minus sign. If it is plus, in our identity, which one is in the plus formula and which one is minus formula. Okay? Like that manner you can solve it. Okay? Let's go to the which one? The third one. What is the third one is saying? The third formula is a square minus b square. What is that? It is simply there. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, my dear friends. Any questions are there in your book? Let's see. Yeah, it is in 7th number it is there, my dear friends. Okay, and the rest of the question I will be tell you, but which identity is present in which question I am just telling that one. Okay, so be careful whenever I am saying the answer. This is the 7th question in your book. Some of the book it is there. It is in NCERT book. It is there. Okay, so let's find out. It's saying that using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Let's go for it. What is the question it is given? Yeah, it is given 51 square minus 49 square. Here, which one is A? A is 51, B is equal to 49. Here, the meaning of 51 is 51 square minus 49 whole square. A square minus B square. This is in the case of A square minus B square. That's why you have to write out what? 51, A plus B into A minus B. 51 plus 49 into 51 minus 49. Why? Because A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Understood, my dear friends? How it is easy, my dear friends. Okay? Only thing is that you have to remember the identities, the formulas. Okay? Okay, let's solve it. How much it is? It is 100. Yes or no? It is, bracket is there, that's why, into what? 49 minus 51 minus 49, it is 2. Answer is 200. Like this manner, you have to find out the answer by using the identity in the step-by-step manners. Understood? Okay, this is the 7th number. Let's do the another point of 7th number so that you can easily understand it. Okay? What is that? The next one is given in the decimal form. You can get it. Okay? Otherwise, you can do in the which one? Any form you can do it, my dear friends. It is there. What is that? In the decimal form, it is there 1.02 square minus, it is given 0.98 square. In this case, remember, my dear friends, in this case, you have to be correct. You have to be thorough. You have to be clear your doubts about the subtraction and addition of the decimal number. It is very, very important. If my friends having any doubts, then go to my channel. You can find the decimal, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Understood? Okay. Let's go for it. Again, it is here A is equal to 1.02, B is equal to 0.98. Understood, my dear friends? So A square minus B square is what? It is A plus B into A minus B. That is what? 1.02 minus 0.98. It is how much? Who will tell me? Yes, it is 200. You can say 200, but after decimal there is no value is there, so it will be 00. Okay? Into. Let it be as it is. You can write it or you can erase this one. Okay? I will go step by step process so that you can easily understand it. Okay. This one is how much? 102 minus 98. How much it will remain, my dear friends? It is coming as 4. 0.4. It is coming 0.4. Understood, my dear friends? Sorry, not 0.4, 0.04. Understood? Now this one in the brackets. Now understood? Either you can write the decimal as whole number or you can put decimal as 00. No problem is there, my dear friends. If you have any doubt, if you are clear the doubts regarding the multiplication, subtraction or division, then it can do directly. Okay? Now multiply it. How much it will coming? Who will tell me? In this case of multiplication, direct multiply with the digit 8. In the case of multiplication, after digit 0, 0, 0, 0, 4. Or you can do it like that. You can erase this one. Okay? 2 4s are 8. 0. Okay? How much? 0.08 is the answer for your given questions. Okay? So always remember, my dear friends, whenever you are doing any questions, be careful about your fundas. Okay? Okay, very good. Let's go to the another one. Now understood, my dear friend, like this manner you have to be solved. Okay? Now this is the what? The third identity, A square minus B square question. Okay? Now let's go to the fourth one. What is the fourth one identity? Fourth identity is saying. The fourth identity is saying about what? X plus A into X plus B is equal to what? X square plus A plus plus b into x, or whatever it will be, you can write like this also, plus ab. Let's discuss one of the example from your book. Where it is given? Yes, it is given in 8th number as well as in second number. Let's go to the second number first, okay? So that you can easily understood. Remember the funda, you can clear your doubts, okay? Okay. First one is x plus 3 into x plus 7. Here x is equal to x, a is equal to 3, b is equal to what? Who will tell me? Yes, very good. It is 7. Very good, Akila. Very good. Let's go for it. What is the formula then? Yes, x whole square. X is as it is x plus a plus b. What? 3 plus 7 into of x plus what? A into b. That is 3 into 7. That is x square plus 10 into x plus 21. This is the answer we will be received after using the identity. Okay, which identity? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into of x plus ab. This is the answer, my dear friends. Okay, and how you will resolve it? Like this manner. Okay, very good. Let's go to the second questions. Another number. Let's go for -1. Okay, is there minus is there? See, check it. Second question, fourth bit is there, minus number is there. Okay, let's go for it. It's saying that 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1. Okay, this is the one of the question of second number of 9.5 exercise of standard 8. Okay, but no matter is that which question is coming. It is important that you have to remember the identity and remember whatever I am saying, so that whatever that how you will be apply these things in your question to get the answer. Okay. Okay. See. So what is the x? X is equal to 4x. A is equal to what? Who will tell me? Yes, very good. A is equal to 5. And B is equal to who will tell me? Yes. Because it is in x plus A and x plus B, here you have to take as B as -1. Okay. No problem is that. The same result we will get it. Okay. Only thing is that you have to put the value in correct positions. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the formula? X square, that is 4x whole square, plus a plus b, that is 5 plus of -1. Because we are taking b as -1, you have to put like this. Okay, into of ax plus 5 into -1. Like this manner you have to do it. Okay. Now 16x square. Here see 5 ones are 5, minus into plus, minus 5x. Understood? Okay. Or you can write like this also. See here. Sorry, I am extremely sorry. First, remove the bracket. That is 5 minus 1 into x plus. Here minus into plus, minus. Okay. 5. I can do it directly multiplied here, but here another step is there. So, in the last case, solve it. Minus 5 minus 1, 4 into x, 4x minus 5. This is the answer we will get if the two expressions are in positive and negative form. Okay, my dear friends, by using the identity x plus a into x plus b, that is what? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the answer. Okay. And by using the suitable identity, you can solve the answer. Like this manner, the four identity we are using and getting the answer in a correct manner. Okay, you use this process in a correct manner, you get the answer. Let's do from your exercise only one bit. Okay, my dear friends, because the rest of the question you can do it by own. Okay, only two questions. First one. Already first number, some of the question we have discussed, so I will discuss only one. Which one? Let's go for 1.1 m. 1.1 m. Okay, minus 0.4. Okay, into 1.1 m. What is that? Plus 0.4. who will tell me here what is that? 1 plus 1 minus is there. In which formula 1 plus 1 minus is there? Only this formula. So first A is equal to what? 1.1 m. B is equal to what? 0.4 m. A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula of A plus B into A minus B? That is 1.1 m whole square A square minus B square minus 0.4 whole square. It is what? Here you have to write the statement that what? A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. This is the formula you have to write it. See, very carefully you just identify the identities, algebraic identities, so that you can get it easily. How it is easy? But before that you have to remember the identity. Okay? Okay. Let's go for it. What? Forget about the decimal. 11 square 121. After decimal 1, because it is multiplied, that's why after decimal 2 means before decimal 2. Before two numbers you have to put the decimal. 1, 2, put decimal here. M square minus again 4 4s are 16. After decimal 1 digit, so you have to go for the doubling of the digits. 1, 2 from the left hand side. Okay, 0.16. This is the answer you will get after the using the what? Suitable identity. How it is easy, my dear friends? Okay, so my dear friends, if you like my channel, please subscribe it. And if you have any doubt, then please write in my comments so that I will clear your doubts. Okay, let's go to the second bit. What is that? Second number we have already discussed. Okay, I will tell you. Some of my friends are saying that, sir, please go for the fraction part. Okay, let's go for it. What is that? A fraction part is the ninth one. What is the ninth one? It is given. The ninth one is given x by 2 plus 3y by 4 into x by 2 plus 3y by 4. This is the question it is given, my dear friends. Okay, so thank you. One of my friend, that is Arushi, is asking the doubt, so I will just clear this one. Okay. Again the same thing. Both the cases plus signs are there. In our identity any plus signs are there. Which cases? This case and this case only. Okay, both of them are plus. So these two are not implemented. Here A is equal to x by 2, B is equal to 3y by 4. So what is the identity now? A plus B into A plus B. In which formula A plus B into A plus B is there? Yes, very good, Shreyans. It is A plus B whole square. Yes. So go for it directly. What is that? A square. That is x by 2 whole square plus 2ab, 2 into x by 2 into 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 whole square. You have to write the statement, that is what? A plus b whole square is equal to a square. First write it. A plus b into a plus b, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the answer you will receive. Now solve it. X square by 4 plus 2 cancel. Okay. X into y, xy by, or you can write it 3xy by 4 or 3 by 4xy, whatever it is, plus, now this one is 9 by 16 y square. Okay. Or you can write like this, 1 by 4 x square plus 3 by 4 xy plus 9 by 16 y square. Like this manner you have to solve the fractional part. Okay, by using the suitable identity. Understood? Okay. Let's go to the second one is already I told, so I will not go for that one. Let's go for the third one. What is the third one is saying? The third one is saying about that what? It's saying that find the following squares by using identity. Okay, the question is given. You have to put the identity in appropriate identity, that is suitable identity, and get the answer here. So what is that? First one is b minus 7 whole square. Who will tell me what is the formula it is? Very good, Aditi. It is a minus b whole square. What is the a minus b whole square? Directly you can do it. A square minus 2 into b into A into B, 2AB plus B square. Otherwise, you can write here A is equal to B, B is equal, A is equal to, A is equal to B, B is equal to 7. So that easily you can write the identity. Okay? Okay. So B square, who will tell me? Minus 14B plus 49. How it is easy, my dear friends? Okay, very good. So let's go to the decimal part, one of the decimal part, and the rest of the part you just try in your home. Okay, so that you can easily understood that how the identities are used. Okay, okay. The decimal part is given like this. What is the question? The question is given 0.4p, 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square it is. Okay, so again it is coming. Who will say me what is the which identity is used? Yes, very good, Sriyans. It is a minus b whole square. So what is the value of a here? Here 0.4p. What is the value of b? Yes, very good, Akriti. It is 0.5q. So put it a minus b whole square is equal to a square. Carefully write it. Plus minus 2 into 0.4p into 0.5q, okay, plus 0.5q whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Understood? It is very easy, na? Okay. So again it is 16p point, because after decimal 1 digit is there. So after decimal 2 will be there. Okay. 0 p square. Again here also, see, 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40. First write is minus 40. Decimal, after decimal 2 single digits are there. So it will be now double. What is that? 1, 2. Point here 0. PQ. Plus here also 25q square. After decimal 1 digit. So decimal will come in before 2 digits. Okay. So like this manner, you have to solve the question in a correct manner by using the suitable identity. Understood? Okay, very good, my dear friends. Let's go to the fourth one. Fourth question, what is given? Okay. The fourth question is given regarding the simplify. What is saying that? Simplify. Just go for it. A square minus b square whole square. So my dear friends, always I told you, I will do some of the part of your syllabus. Okay, rest of the numbers you have to try in your home so that you can easily understood that one. Okay, so again it is two parts are a here a is equal to a square, b is equal to b square. Now what is the formula it is coming? Who will tell me? Yes, this is the formula is coming now. Very good. What is the formula then? Yes, very good. It is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now put the values. A square is what? A square's whole square minus 2 into a square into b square plus b square's whole square. So what is the answer? A power of 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b 4. Understood? Like this manner you have to solve the question. Okay. Now one of the complicated one I will go for it. Okay. So what is that? Sixth bit. Okay. Always remember the identity, my dear friends. Okay. What is the sixth one is asking? The sixth one is asking about the AB plus BC whole square minus 2AB square C. Okay. So what is the answer? It is A plus B whole square. We know it. It is clearly showing it. So do it lightly. That is AB whole square plus 2 into AB into BC plus 2AB. Okay. Or you can write here A is equal to AB, B is equal to BC. Like this one you can write it so that no confusion will be there in your mind whenever you are using the identity. Okay. So plus BC whole square minus 2AB square. Now put it A square B square plus 2, both the cases A, B into B, here the similar variables will be multiplied here. Okay, we are already discussing the previous exercises. Okay, a b square c plus b square c square minus 2ab square c. Now you just tell me, my dear friends, is there any same variables are there? Yes, it is 2a square b plus 2ab square minus. So both of them are cancelled. Remaining will be as it is plus b square c square. In both you can write it like this also, or in the both the cases b square is common. Write here b square into a square plus c square. This is also your answer. So my dear friends, this is the what? How to simplify the given question. Okay. So remaining part you can try in your home. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, my dear friends. Okay. Okay. Very good. So excuse me, my dear friend. I have to change my pen. Okay. Now my dear friends is saying that the next number is let's go for a decimal part. Okay. What is that? Fifth one of this number. Fourth number. Okay. Sixth one, huh? It is given fifth one. Sorry, it is given the fifth one. The fifth one is what, my dear friends? The fifth one is saying about, it's saying now 2.5p minus 1.5q, okay, and minus of 1.5 p minus 2.5 q. If the question is correct, yeah, both the cases in the whole squares are there. Okay, okay. So here same formula is repeating one by one. Which formula? Both the cases a minus b whole square. Here a minus b whole square, and both of them are in the subtraction case. So here do it very carefully. First solve this one. A square 2.5 whole square minus 2 into 2.5p. Okay. See, I am just solving this one. Into 1.5q. Again plus 1.5q whole square. This is the first part. Again put this one in the bracket. Again minus of, again bracket. What is that? 1.5p whole square plus, sorry, minus is there. Minus 2 into 1.5p into 2.5q. Okay. Then plus 2.5q whole square. This is the second part question. Okay. Let's have a check. So because it is a lengthy one, so please go for it. Okay. Okay. My dear friends, you are also find out my mistake so that I will just rectify that one. Okay. Okay. Is there any mistake is there? Okay. Very good. No mistakes are there. So we will directly solve it. Okay. Now solve it. 25 square 625 decimal second place p square again minus of who will tell me? Yeah, 25 2 is a 50 50 15 is a who will tell me? 750. Okay, is it 750 na? Okay, 50 into 50. Okay, 750 it is. Okay, 750 PQ. What about the decimal? Two decimals are there. Put your decimal. Okay, plus tell me, it is 225. 15 square is 225 or not? Q square. It is, this one is over. Now go for this one. Put your minus because minus is there in between them. Okay, so here 225.p square minus, both of the cases are 750, so put here 750 7.5 pq, okay, plus 625 q square. This is the answer. Okay, my dear friends, now open the bracket of which one? This one. While you are opening the bracket, what you have to do? Yes, all the sign will be changed. Plus become minus and minus become plus. Okay, so do it. 6.25, the first one will be as it is, p square minus 7.50 pq plus 2.25 q square minus into plus minus 2.25 p square plus 7.50 pq minus 6.25 q square. Is there any similar terms are there? Yes. First check it. P square. Any p square is there? Yes. Here p square is there. So bring the similar term in one place. Shall I erase this one, my dear friends? I will erase all the question. Okay. So that there is a space will be there for us to solve it. Okay. I will erase also this one also. Okay. Now write it this one. First write the p square part. 6.25 p square over any p square? Yes. Minus 2.25 p square, this one is over. There's which one is there? This one is there. Minus 7.50 pq, this one is over. Any pq? Yes, it is there. Plus 7.50 pq. Okay, then this one plus 2.25 q square. Okay, which one is left? This one is left. Minus 6.25 q square. Now in this case, we are just make the variable in one place, so solve it now. Okay. Okay. Here both of them are cancelled because pq plus and minus is there. Now solve this one. 4 p square. Okay. This one minus of what? 4 q square. Yes or no? You can solve it, my dear friends. Okay. Now both the cases. Now just tell me. Again, a square minus b square formula it is came here right now. Okay, what is that? Tell me. Yes, 2p whole square minus 2q whole square. This is a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? Yes, a plus b into a minus b. This is the answer we will get after solve the biggest problem, but that problem must be done by you very carefully. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, let's go to the fifth one. My dear friends, I have not completed all the questions. Some of the question I am just making for you. So please try in your homes. If you have any doubts, then please write in my comments. Okay. Okay. Go for the fifth one. The fifth one is saying that, simply it is saying that prove LHS is equal to RHS. Whether it is correct or not, just check it. Okay? Okay, go for it. First one, 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x x square x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. Okay, the given question is like this. And saying that, so that means you have to prove whether LHS is equal to RHS. Means if I solve the left hand side expression, is it coming to the right hand side? Let's check it. Okay, go for it. What is that? 3x plus 7. First go for the LHS side. Okay. Okay. Minus 84x. Solve it now. A plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square minus 84x. 9x square plus 42x plus 49 minus 84x. Okay. Now subtract these two. 9x square. Bring the variable in one place. Plus 49. 9x square minus. How much it will coming? Who will tell me? Yes, it is coming. Same. Minus 42x. Okay. Plus 49. Now, here remember this one. Your chapter, one of the chapter is the factorization chapter. We will be studying in what? Next class. Okay. So, I will not go for the factorization. Let's go to the right hand side. It is the left hand side answer. What is the right hand side? 3x minus 7 whole square. This is right hand side. Okay. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. How much it is? 9x square minus 42x plus 49. Is both of the cases are equal? Yes. So write it down. LHS is equal to RHS. This is the answer. So don't worry, my dear friends. Okay. If the questions are given, do it step by step process so that you can understood it very easily and you can solve it very easily. Okay. But one thing, remember the identities. Okay. It is very, very important for you. Okay. Let's go for the another one of fifth question. Okay. Of 9.5 exercise of standard 8, my dear friends. Okay. Understood? Go for it. Okay. Which one will go? Let's go to the one of the fraction part. Okay. What is that? Go for it. What is that? Shall I erase this one? Because we have no place. Okay. You just by heart it. Okay. Okay. What is that? 4 by 3m. 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square, okay, plus 2mn is equal to 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. Again this saying that you have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Take it left hand side first. Solve it now. 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn is equal to what, my dear friends? Yes, a minus b whole square. Who will tell me? Very good, Divyans. It is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2 into ab. 2 into 4 by 3 m into 3 by 4n, okay, plus 3 by 4n whole square, that is b square. Now solve it. 16 by 9 m square. 2 cancel here, my dear friends. Okay. Sorry, you can directly divide the cross the 4 one. 4 cancel here. So which one is left? 2 3 is 6. 6 by here another thing is also cut down. Okay, these two will be cut down. 3 and 3 will cut. So it is 2 mn plus who will tell me? Tell me. Oh, we are half of the part we are not written here. Okay, sorry. Okay, plus 9 by 4 n square. And which one is left? 2mn is left. Now arrange the variable in one place. Similar variable. These two are same. Plus 2mn plus 9 by 4 n square. Plus minus cancel. 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 4 n square. Now check it. This one is equal to this or not? So I will write here, that is what? LHS is equal to RHS and it is proved. Understood, my dear friends? Like this manner, you have to solve all the questions by using the suitable identity. Okay? So always I told you, my dear friends, if you like my channel, please subscribe it. And if you have any doubt, then write in my comment so that I will be clear your doubts. Okay? Okay. Let's go to the sixth one. Rest of the question you just try in your home. Okay? So that you can easily understood. Go for the sixth one. What is the sixth one is saying in your question? Okay? Let's go for it. 71 square, you have to use it by using suitable identity. Remember, 71. What is the nearest whole number of 71? Yes, it is 70 plus 1 whole square. Now you can tell me, it is okay? Okay, it is a plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. It is 49 square plus 140 plus 1. How much it is? 1405. It is correct. 5041. Check it. 1450. It is correct. Like this manner you have to find it. Remember, my dear friends, some of the quiz competition it is coming here. So solve this one like this if the question is like this. Okay? Okay, very good. Let's go to the second one. 5.2. Go for the decimal one. Now who will tell me what is the whole number? What is the nearest whole number? Round the number. Yes, it is 5 plus 0.2 whole square. Yes or no? Do it once again. A square, A plus B whole square is? Yes, A square plus 2AB plus B square. Good boy. So 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 0.2 plus 0.2 whole square. 25 into 10 to the 20, but the decimal is there, put your dot, plus 2 to the 4, decimal is there. This is the answer. So add all the numbers, my dear friends. Okay, what are they? 27.04 is the answer. Understood? Understood or not? Yes. Sorry. Wait. Here. Yeah. Sorry for my mistake. Okay, my dear friends. So 27.04 is our answer. Like this manner you have to solve. Okay. Okay. Go for another one. Some of the different one. Okay. Because here only plus signs are coming, other identities are not coming, so we will be use the other identity. 297 into 303. Now 297 nearest rounding number is what? Or you can round this one into nearest 100. What is that? 300 minus 3. Again, here it is 300 plus 3. Now, which expression it is? A plus B into A minus B. Whose formula it is? It is A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. This identity will be going to use. So, right here 300 square minus 3 square. How much it is? 90,000 minus 9. Yes or no? A plus B into A minus B. It is A square minus B square. We have already discussed this one in the 7th number question. Okay? Okay. So, what is the answer? Who will tell me? Yeah, tell me. 800 90,000. It is coming 89,000 1. Understood? This is the answer you will be received. 89,991 is the answer. Okay? Okay? Sorry for my mistakes. Okay? This is the answer you have to be getting. Understood, my dear friends? How is it easy, my dear friends? Okay? So, like this manner, you have to be solve the questions. Okay? Let's go for the another identity of the same number, 6th number. All the questions I am taking it from your NCERT book, my dear friends. Okay? Various questions are coming, but use of identity is same. Okay? Okay. Let's go for the 998 square. Because it is nearest 1000, we have to check it. Round it to nearest 1000. Yes, it is 1000 minus 2 square. Now A minus B whole square. Who will tell me? Yes, very good, Sirisa. It is A square. A square means 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 2 square. 1000 means how many zeros? Yes, 10 lakhs. Okay? Minus. How much it is coming? 4,000. Yes or no? Plus 4. Okay? So, first you can subtract it or you can add it. No problem is there. Okay? Do it. It is coming. How much? Both of them if I add it. Because according to Bottas rule you have to add it first. Okay, add it how much? Otherwise don't do it. Add these two. 10 lakhs. 4 minus 4,000. How much it is coming? 4,0,0,6,9. Okay, so it is coming 9 lakhs. Something is mistake. I did some mistakes. Please check it. Check it, my dear friends. Zero 99. Okay, 1,604. Okay, plus already we have added. That's why it is not done by you. It is answer is coming 99,000. 9,96,000. Okay, this is the answer we will be received after the subtraction. Okay, some of the times I will also do the mistake. Please check it this one. Okay. Please careful, my dear friends, because whenever we are did it, it is very important. So 9,96,004. 9,96,004. Sorry, I just put the commas in the wrong place. That's why the confusion is came here. Understood, my dear friends? So these are the questions we have to be discussed in our whole chapters. Okay. So let's do for the another one. Okay, go for it. Let's go to the 8.9 square. Okay. Go for 8.9 square. Another decimal is came here. Okay. 8.9 whole square. What is the nearest? Please bring this one into a whole number fast. It is 9. 9 minus 0.1 whole square. Again it is a minus b whole square. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b whole square. 81 minus 18 means decimal is 1.8 plus 0.01. Yes or no? So what you have to do once again? Again you can subtract it or you can add these two. 81.01 minus 1.8. Go for it. Go for it. How much it is coming? 1.80. How much? 1. Yes, 2, 9. 9 and 7. That is 79.21 is our answer, my dear friends. Okay, like this manner you have to solve one by one question. Okay, so my dear friends, these are the all questions we have studied in this chapter. Okay, so be careful while you are doing this one while using the identities. Okay, so first thing is what? You have to remember the identities and apply it in the appropriate place. So my dear friends, these are the all question of your 9.5 exercises. Rest of the question you just try in your home. Okay, so that if you have any doubt, please write in my comments. Otherwise, if you will subscribe my channel for the new videos. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.